So, ano siya perform live? Kim Yohan?
Shake it.
Parang hindi naman. Wow, so sleepy. Ouch. Alam, merong salt na lang dito kasi muna go to a sauna so bad. I haven't learned Maestro yet. Ano magpapa-auto? I haven't learned Maestro yet. I'm a K-pop fan, so like I like most groups. Kojo Shoko nasa labas. Hi, dear loves. Tagawa area, tingin niya. May lahi po ako, Pilipino po. Are you gonna eat rice? I don't have rice. I don't know why they put sweet potatoes instead of rice. It would taste good with rice. Hey yo! Justin? Sino Justin? Justin ng Vini? Wait, coffee yun? Your dinner is fish fillet and sweet potato. Thank you 7-Eleven and Jirapat. Hi Angelica. I hope you have a good day tomorrow and the rest of the days. Ilang taong ka na? I'm 23. Wow, I feel so trippy. Hindi mo na ako uminom ng pampatulog pero sobra pa. Like, it's a biofuel. Ang heavy ng ano ko. Mata ko. Talukap ng mata ko. Gagawa ka fan account and lover. What if ikaw ang gawin ko ng fan account? Opo, mahilig po ako sa mga jersey. Probably. Because they're so comfy. Okay na lang po yung damit. Okay. May basketball, yes. Clyde Lover. Parang I saw a username na Clyde Lover. Ako pumaroon din po mag-volleyball. Ako ang libero dun sa back in high school. College kasi hindi na ako nakalaro eh. Ayaw. It's sweet potato, kamote. STEM student po ako. Diet ka? Naka-meal prep ka? Yes. Kasi mas tipid pag naka-meal prep eh. Mas healthy yung food. Okay, let's have dinner, guys. I'm gonna change the mood of the music. Ano maganda pagtug? Tornado. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh, Jongwoo. Hi, Bal.
다음은 이제 저와 정은님.
I like this cover.
와.
네, 어떻게 곡 소개를 좀 한번 해주세요. 네.
이제 조지 벤슨님의 이제 Nothing's Gonna Change My Love For You라는 곡입니다.
명곡이네요.
네.
저희가 같이 선곡을 얘기할 때 저의 리스트에는 없었던 거거든요. 그래서 정은님이 제안해 주신 곡이에요.
정말요?
네.
Nothing's gonna change my life for you.
제가 이게 평소에 자주 되게 좋아해가지고 듣던 곡이기도 해가지고 같이 부르는
Sarap matulog.
영광을 제가 누려보면 어떨까라는 마음에 네,
저도
네.
영광입니다.
네, 그래가지고 선곡을 해봤던 것 같습니다.
Na-miss? Parang nakita ko na sa akin kahapon ah. Hi, Miss M. Miss M, how are you doing, Miss M? Thank you, Thea. Imbag garabi imet Earl sa pagaw na sayati, pagturog mong damdama. I want another cup of coffee. Sheesh, ganun boses. Isaac Hong. Sinabi ko lang naman na gusto ko, di ko lang sinabi kuha ako ng coffee. Thank you, RJ.
Dreams are young and we both know they'll take us where we wanna go.
Hold me now, touch me now. Don't wanna live without you.
Nothing's gonna
Change my love for you.
you. I don't know right now how
Hi, Cree.
I love you. One things you can be sure of. I never asked for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you.
Na, 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 na,
I
na.
don't know right now how much I love you. It may change my whole life through, but nothing's gonna change.
Babe song ng mama mo. Aww. Sug na ako. So easy for us, like a guiding star. Forgot to buy milk. This is my meal prep, guys. The hands are not fine, look. Ang dami kong kalyo. Na 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 na. This is not a laptop, it's an iPad. It's an iPad. My love for you. Much I love you. Hi, Tel. Guys, nagpa-procrastinate lang ako. Ayoko lang talaga ubusin. Oh my gosh, it's too much. Bad romance. Thank you, Naomi Ginger. Sakuragi. What's your favorite food? Steak. Katapos ko lang mag-stream ng Shake It Down, Miss M. Grabe ka. Naomi Ginger pala, hindi pa Naomi Ginger. Hi, Tel. Kaya uwi mo sa Ilocos? I don't think I can. Ano daw?
아 정우님이 노래를 부르면서 저한테 시고 있거든요.
Thirst trap version. May pinos attack pero hindi siya thirst trap eh. Lily naman to guys. NMIX Lily.
Same bed, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Our song on the radio, but it don't sound the same.
Oh.
Now friends talk about you all
My
the
day
time, just
is
tell
kind of
me
tiring.
now.
Today we did
'Cause my heart breaks a little.
I can tell pala what we did today. But it's tiring.
It all just sounds like ooh.
Who's Fat Cat? Salamat malam sayang. What does it mean?
Too young, too dumb to realize that I should have bought you flowers and held your
Bad
hand.
romance.
Should have gave you all my hours.
Poker face? Ah, poker face yun.
Take you to every party 'cause all you wanted to do
Who's dance?
now my
Baby's dancing. And she's dancing with another man. From my ego and in a selfish way. Go guys, mali ka sa challenge.
Lost a good strong woman like
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
all my life.
Oh, I'll never live in a clean room beside me. Ken Susan. Oh, he's my bias.
Time I close my eyes, it all just sounds like too young, too dumb to realize
I like fake
I
faces.
should have bought you
Something I can relate to.
held your hand. Should have gave you all my hours when I
Had the chance, like you know every.
party 'cause all
What
you
do you think about song on Girl Trigo? She makes good songs.
now my baby is dancing.
I was dancing with another man. Although it hurts, be the first to say that
I was
wrong.
no problem, much too late.
Try and apologize for my mistakes.
But I just want
Talaga ba? Fave to. Hope he holds your hand.
give you all his hours.
When I've had the chance.
Take
You
it
to every party, 'Cause I remember how much you loved to dance. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Do all the things I should have done when I was your man. Draw mo ako for free? Can I see? Can I see your drawing? Pagkatapos mo? Sabay sa'yo nakita, Clyde. Uwe! Uwe! Uwe, atem.
Let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over.
Yan mo si Lily.
Until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, there's room, but my knees were far too weak.
Sana may ganito rin
In your arms,
setting sa Philippines.
falling to your feet.
Who's Mayor Alice Guo?
They just lied to you that I never knew all the things you say. They were never true, the games you play.
Yes, I'm a K-pop fan po.
Always real, but I set fire to the rain. Watched it burn as I touched your face.
Ayos na umin ako sa kinakain ko.
I cried 'cause I heard it
Alat.
screaming out your name.
Your name.
It's late with you. I could stay there. Close
Okay
my
po, Shark.
eyes, feel you here forever. You
Ang ganda ng boss niya.
together, nothing gets
Park Kyung.
better. 'Cause there's a side to you.
Never knew.
All the things you say,
There were always were never true.
the games you play.
There always and always be. Ayaw. Ooh. Hey, hey. Good arrangement nila. I set fire. Yes. Kill ba? Is that kill? Jim? Sok Jim? Grabe naman. Talaga ba? Favorite song, Beanie? I can't pick. But I think it's gonna be Carrera kasi I like the message of the song. If I Ain't Got You. Teka na ba yung Bad Romance? Ano ba itong Bad Romance? I'm curious tuloy. Caught in a bad romance. Yun to yan? Ano ba yan? Oh, yung trend sa TikTok. Caught in a bad romance. Caught in a bad romance. Na 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 na. Lovely Runner. I'm just watching that series right now, pero parang rana ang kamukha. Who's Matt Win? Oh, in a bad romance. Oh, caught in a bad romance. Shout out si Olivia Castle and Olivia Morris. Hello. Ryle, hello Ryle. Oh, on your disease, you're everything as long as it's free. I want your love, 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 love. I want your love. Okay, I'm gonna play the If I Ain't Got You by Rose. La la la, la la la. I want your love. Rose, no? Taehyun? TXT Taehyun? Really? I want your revenge. Hey, Herman. I love lahat ng mga cover ni Rose. Ang pwede pa wala akong muscle. Ay, sorry po. Sige po, gagalingan ko pa mag-gym tsaka mag-diet.
Some people live
For the fortune.
some people live just for the fame.
Hey.
Some people live for the power.
Oh, some people live
Just to
play the game. Some people live let the physical things define what's within. Life's a bore. Bro, do you see Ash? How would Ash be in this storm?
Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all.
Feeling you, baby.
If I
Got you, baby.
some people want diarrhea, some just
Mullet? I tried. No.
everything is moving.
I don't know. Message Ash, bro. Like, why would you look for someone who's not here?
Some people search for the fountain.
I bet next time guys mag-live ako. Caption,
This is forever.
hindi hanapan ng nawawalang tao.
Some people need your ties around.
Roses. Hello, I'm from Thailand. Hello, I'm from the Philippines. My glasses are from a local, ang tawag dun? Optical clinic.
Would it be no one to share with no one who truly cares for me? Some people
I had to be. Oh, my throat so dry.
May kumakain ka ba dyan? Anis, parang nasa restaurant lang yung mga tugtugan niya eh.
Weird people.